Here we are, the second annual John Cool Canoe Race. John Cool Canoe Race, second annual. Here we go, here we go. Wait. Hey,
come on, Jesse.
Hey, doesn't the raft have to be out there?
Jesse, come and get the raft. Don't go till we get the raft out.
All right, wait. All right.
Come on, Jesse.
Still, let us out.
Jess, come on.
Hey,
Jess.
Wait, you gotta. Hold it, Jess.
Jess.
We're gonna let you go out.
Jess, come on. Get in here. We're going out for it.
Anything, you know, any cahoots or tipping, get it on
They
film.
can't touch him?
John, who's the starter?
I don't know.
Katie, who's the starter?
When you hear the horn, blow. We'll blow.
Hear the horn.
When you hear the horn blow.
Listen. When you hear the horn, I'll blow. Okay. You guys hear that?
Spread out,
Hear
spread
the
out.
horn?
Yeah, spread out for us.
John, cool. Wait for the horn. Wait for the horn.
Look at Kelly. Kelly's on. Go, Kelly! Go, Kelly! Mike's
Come on, Sarah!
Kelly!
Oh my God, man! Go! They gotta go over here.
Oh my God.
Go, Sarah! John, go! Come on, Sarah! Come on, Sarah! Look at all the neighbors. Sarah, get back here. Come on, Sarah! Sarah, get back.
God, does that dog stink? Jeez.
That's not a hair back.
Oh my God.
Come on. Just smell it.
Jeez.
She does not. Cut him off at the pass. Oh my God! Get going, you guys!
Mike's good.
Here.
Look at him coming back already. Mike's coming back already.
These two are bringing up the rear.
Mike is coming back
Here
already.
comes them. They went around the buoy.
Mike works out
Go,
every day.
Mike! Go!
Yeah.
He's gonna win.
Yeah, I mean.
Look at
he's
Mike's
just
passing them. You can wave to them as you go by, Mike. Wave to them.
The rest of these people are all.
Now see two other headers jumping. They're gonna be so far ahead.
Oh, is Andy on Mike's team?
Let's go. Yeah. Hey, Jeff, let's go down and watch the switch down here. We're filming you, Kelly. Stroke. Stroke.
Come on! Keep going! Go, Kelly! Now, Mark, they don't mean that the next one can be good.
No, it doesn't. It's like relay race.
Oh my God, Johnny's getting in there. No, Jason and Maury.
Cinnamore, okay.
Come on, Kelly, you can do it. Oh, they're so far back.
Oh my God, that was me last
Look at
year,
them back
Nancy.
there. Jump out.
Who's getting this one? Uh-oh, these guys are going to catch up.
Where's it gonna be?
Johnny and Mark.
Oh, these guys are going to pass them.
Go, guys!
You better get going.
Hurry on! Go, Johnny! Come on, Maury! They ain't supposed to go on the same side, both of them, are they?
I don't know. They must know the way.
Maury, come on, guys! They're slowing down already. Oh my God, who is that?
Where is Cindy and Susie?
Where is that one? They're way down.
Where are they? Oh, man, they're way down there.
Whoever their partners are, they're going to hate them.
They're out of the boat again.
Susie's out.
Hey, I never got to roll last year because of Margie.
I know. That's why I'm saying.
I should have been here this time. You know what? They shouldn't have done the hot shot. Look at the people watching. Look at the people watching.
Who?
Way back there.
Gary cut his finger off.
What?
No, not if she doesn't get there, 'cause I'm not gonna wait.
Well, he got to go,
I'll have
especially if
to
he's got
take her
the
in.
finger. If he's got part of the finger, he's got to go right now.
Yeah.
Oh my
Because they
God.
will sew it back on.
What happened?
I don't know. They said he cut his finger
You know what? He's
Who?
a federal agent.
Jerry.
He can take it. He looked calm. I mean, he could have worse. A bomb take off his hand.
John, go see how bad he's hurt.
Go get Suze.
Are you telling me he cut his finger off?
He's got to go right away. If he's got to go.
Not all the way
All
off.
the way off.
John, this is the last time you're doing this. I can't handle
trying
this
to come
bullshit.
in.
Okay.
Susie, get in!
It's Mickey's hands running up.
Now listen, the worst thing everybody can do is get all riled up.
That's right. He looked calm. He had towel around it. He was just.
She's gonna walk. She's gonna walk. She's gonna walk.
Yeah, she's gonna walk.
Be fast
She
as
can
she
run
Well, she's not
fast.
gonna make it. Somebody's gonna take it.
Has anybody got Brandon on film yet?
I don't know. Look around. Look
Brandon.
at Uncle Mo.
Hi, Brandon.
Uncle Mo.
Hi. Boy, you're a little wubby, aren't you?
He has.
Oh, is that right?
Now you're.
Who is that way back there?
Uh-oh.
No, we just got 2 of them over here.
Who is that?
They're catching up.
Johnny and...
Hurry up, they're catching up, Johnny.
Go, John! Go! Don't look back! Don't look back!
Go, Jordy. Paddle, they're catching up.
We're catching up!
Don't look
Go.
back.
All by himself. It's Corey and he ain't got no partner. Where's the partner? Oh, they fell off. Oh, get them out.
No, it's Marky.
What's the problem?
They're in
guys?
shallow water. Oh, Jordy bumped his lip. He's bleeding.
Jordy.
No, I'm kidding.
Jordy?
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Get in there. What's the matter with you two?
Supposed to be me and Gary, and we'd be going really fast. Look, he's tired.
Marky's tired. Oh, poor Marky. Marky, your baby's watching you.
Mom is about to sleep. He's humming to himself. He's sleeping. Leave him alone. He's about ready to go to sleep. I'm serious.
Right, Marky did a one before that. And he's tired.
And he's too nervous. He'll feel it.
Yeah, don't.
Yeah, he will feel it.
He was cuddling and his eyes were shut, and I think he's napping.
He likes it. He likes it.
Better start turning.
See
Mark.
how they
Marge.
like nice bosoms.
Margin is in her babe.
They like
What are you
women
saying?
with big
What are you
bosoms.
trying to say?
Shoot
He's
it,
napping
Jesse.
better than
They
his.
like it. I have a bigger bosom than Sarah.
So he can grab it.
I'm gonna go play this right now.
Sarah, I was only kidding. I'm 45. Mine are more grandmother-like.
Grab us in.
Oh, gee.
Mine are more.
One's in the way. Could you
One's
pull
in the
that
way.
one back?
Cindy, guide us in, Sid.
Cindy.
He's sound asleep. He sung himself to sleep. He sung himself to sleep. He's on his humming thing again.
He was humming. Cindy, he hums and he falls asleep.
He hummed just like he did the other night. He hummed himself to sleep again.
Hi, Mandy.
Cut it. Turn it off.
Turn it
How you
off.
doing?
Great.
Good.
Did you miss all the action?
Yeah, why?
Did anybody win?
Did you see it, Mandy? Was it bad?
What do you say?
The raft.
Thank you, sir.
You did good, Captain Jess. Jess.
What kind of minger did he lose?
Minger.
Or finger?
The middle one.
Ooh,
Middle Minger.
that's the
Middle
worst one.
minger.
That's the worst one to lose. Jesus.
Fiddle Minger. I mean the middle finger.
Well, one got cut off. They all went like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
But when they were all bunched up, our group was
Hey,
there.
Maury.
They still managed to get to the front.
Jenny something or another keeps calling. I meant to tell you. What's her name? Oh.
Jenny's friend, I know about
What?
her.
Yes. Who is that?
One of Jenny's friends.
She's called twice now. I said, I'll tell him that you called, honey, but that's...
Steel gloves.
Kelly, hey, nice stroking out there, man. You were really going. Kelly, she was... I got a close-up of you, man. You're just...
Stroking to the left and stroking to the right.
What? Oh, nice shot there.
Oh, I love that smell of the dog.
Hey, Johnny, your mom says that dog don't smell. That's just your
Oh,
imagination.
your brother again. Come on.
Nanny says,
Nothing better than that.
Nanny swears.
Oh.
The dog doesn't smell.
You're all Rick Rob.
Well, who won this year? Johnny again?
Mike,
Mike?
Jordy, Jason.
Who took Jackie's place?
Maury won too.
Was Maury in Jackie's place then? Maury, all right. Jackie will be proud of you.
That's right.
Uncle Mo, they would have been gone if Gary would have lost his finger. Marky,
Well, hey, Gary's got to learn not to lose fingers during a canoe race.
We kept the tradition
Well,
alive.
I really think there should have been a halt to the races for, you know, at the time.
Emergency?
Yeah, you know.
Do they stop the race at Indy when a car flips?
I know,
and a guy dies? No, they clean him up, get him off, and they keep going.
Yeah, they keep it a
Well, I
secret.
don't mean stop the race.
Maury, put that down. Don't even mess with that. Maury.
I'm filming right now.
Put it
Jenny,
up. Maury, you better not be filming.
I am.
Don't do it constantly. Okay?
Want me to stop?